I thought it was bothering you.
Don't worry about it.
Ball.
Not the ball, your tag. Back here, look.
No, your tag right here.
Come on,
Here.
go under the water.
Okay?
Go under the water. I want to see you go under. Go swimming for me. Come on, big boy.
Come on.
Go swim to Nanny.
Come on.
Okay.
Ready?
Swim to Nanny.
Set. Go.
Go, Alex, go.
Come on. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Good job.
I got it.
Good job. Now go back.
I got it back.
Go back where you came from.
Good job, big swimmer. Good job. Hey, don't do that, please.
That's me.
Go.
Hey, come on.
Swim to Nanny. Swim
Come
to
on.
Nanny.
Swim over here, Bubby.
Alex.
Swim over here. Alex. Come over here. Hurry.
1, 2.
Ready, set, go.
I can't.
You can.
I can't go water in the corner.
You don't want to swim?
No.
Okay, then you have to go to your room.
I can water in my room.
Well, then you have to swim.
I don't. That's why I'm on it.
Come on. Let me cut off that tag.
Don't try.
All right, I won't.
Watch me. Watch me.
Watch you do what? You're not doing nothing. Now you're doing it. Good job.
That's it, buddy. Swim.
Good job. That was good.
What?
Get your Percy. Hurry. Excellent. Go get your birdie now.
Actually, I don't want to do that.
Okay, go get him. Hurry. He tries to kick off.
Yeah. That's it, baby.
Take a break. Take it slow. Relax a minute.
I know.
Now just take